Starting with you, Your Excellency Ursula, I would like to really know more about the technology supporting your entrepreneurs in Ghana and how you think that the cooperation and being part of DCO as a new joining member would help and support the startups to be exposed to a bigger market.
Thank you very much, Dima, Your Excellencies. It's a pleasure to be here. And it just demonstrates the power that we have working together. So I'm excited that we've joined the DCO. And we know that to really develop our economies, we cannot do without digital technology. And this is where it's all happening. And with the membership of DCO, working with the little that we've been able to do in Ghana, from fintechs, through digital identity, through digital addressing systems, mobile money interoperability, government, e-government infrastructure, and all of that. We know that digital infrastructure is what will underpin it all. So I'm just excited with the announcements that have been made. And I want to encourage you in Saudi Arabia to think of us in Africa as your natural partners for growth and mutual development. We will grow together. Our young people are looking up to you for the opportunities that you can help us provide. And working together, we can create larger markets for the companies that are investing in your region while we meet the challenges that face us in our region as well. So I'm excited with the cooperation, international cooperation that we're getting from the membership of DCO, learning from our experiences, sharing the little that we've been able to do with you, and knowing that together we can change the world and make things happen.
Definitely. Thank you, Your Excellency. Actually, I was very inspired. Walking in the corridors, I met a startup from Ghana, which really empowers and ensures what you have just mentioned. Also, as DCO, we have the pleasure of bringing in 65 startups from our member countries, and a big portion of these startups is from Jordan. So if I would ask you, Your Excellency, about the big bet of the Kingdom of Jordan on startups and entrepreneurs, and how can they benefit more from such kind of initiatives, like the initiative we have launched yesterday, the Stride Association, which we are thankful for the Kingdom of Jordan to champion such kind of association.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, Your Royal Highnesses, Your Excellencies. Thank you very much for inviting us here. First, please allow me to congratulate Saudi Arabia, its people and its leadership for hosting this great event, for these great achievements. And we stand here as proud as any Saudi with these achievements. So congratulations for all of you. Thank you very much. The initiative that was launched yesterday by DCO, in the past we used to say telecom. The best slogan I have seen for telecom is connecting people. And the DCO has been found to connect people, ecosystems, citizens, startups, businesses, and everybody in the countries who are members of the DCO organization. So Stride is one of these initiatives that is found to basically focus on how we can grow the entrepreneurial ecosystem in the region and in the member states of the organization, which I think a very important and a very promising step forward in the short life journey of DCO, with the big achievements that happened on the ground by the DCO. Jordan entrepreneurial ecosystem, although it's considered one of the most promising and high efficient and fast growing ecosystems in the region, contributing to the regional entrepreneurial ecosystem, yet they're gonna, and I'm sure they're gonna be happy hearing about this announcement, because in a world that is moving towards the digital platforms in a future that talks about open source, open API, open data, we have to have open borders as well. We have to have our markets open to each other, So DCO, I'm sure they're gonna support the regional startups and the member state startups with an easy access to market, easy access to ecosystems beyond their borders, easy access to investments and funds, and easy access to guidance and mentorship across the region. So we're looking forward to activate this pillar under DCO, and we're happy and we thank all the member states that they allowed Jordan to champion this pillar.
Well, thank you very much. We're very excited. We see that startups are the fuel for digital economy, and we have to break those barriers for them to expand and grow.